Okay, so you open up Desmos calculator, and the one that we use is the STAAR version. Remember, it needs to be green on top so that it could be the right calculator. Now this step number 2, it's the easiest step of all. It says get your equation and type it down on Desmos. So if you click on number 1, you're ready to start typing it out. So you can start typing out exactly as it's given here. F of x equals 20x plus 4. Now there's a lot of people that do not like to use f of x. They like to put y equals just because the range is the y. Well, you can actually change the f of x to y equals and type in everything exactly the same, and you will get exactly, as you can see, look at the line how it is changing colors. It is exactly the same graph, so it doesn't really matter how you type it, what your preference is, as long as it actually graphs it, and then you're on the right track. Now from here we're ready to go on to step number 3.